No more white rice. So we got to show these guys what to eat. They're like, hey, something blew over in the wind. Let's go check it out. This is cassava, manioca. It's called a bunch of different names in different places. It's called yuca. It's also known as tapioca because they make the little balls out of the starch. This one got blown out from the storm, but it doesn't mean all is lost because we still have some roots right here that we can harvest off of it. We're gonna take our little tubers off of this one and we're gonna go back to the kitchen. There's for a couple days and it oxidizes. It actually produces a type of cyanide. Make this little cut on the side and then you peel this outside part of the root off of here. But what we like to do with it is this right here. We just take it and we grate it.
Super great. It's like a raw potato, yeah?
Check this out. Oh yeah, end product right there. Ah, it is like candy. Bammo.